God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk.
Not me opening the vlog in a weird way. My goodness. I have to go get my nails done. And it's raining. I'm hoping that the lady isn't busy today because it's late. It's like 10 now. And I need to get my nails done and my feet. And I want to plait my hair. So basically, it's a maintenance vlog. Let me get myself together. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Guys, I'm done doing my nails, but I'm about to buy myself something to eat. Yeah, it's raining.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm so annoyed. I need to get to the municipality to submit a couple of things, and the Bolt drivers keeps on cancelling. And today is actually the first time that I'm using Bolt. I've never used Bolt before, so today I was checking them out and I saw the prices are very low. It's like 12 rand to get to where I want to go. This is basically, 2 rand cheaper than using my taxi. So they keep on cancelling and I'm just like, can we just... I'm so frustrated because I want to get this done. I feel like this day the devil is testing me, but he's not gonna win. I'm gonna download the Bolt app again on my other phone and then try to use it from there, because when I went down there, the internet connection was doing a funny thing and it lost connection, and I think when it did that, then the ride cancelled automatically. So now people are like quite far away and I need a person to come now. Guys, it's so frustrating. I'm so frustrated, but I know that God has me and I know that He will help me through this. Let me set up my Bolt on this phone that I'm vlogging on, and then hopefully everything will go well from there, because I need to submit today. I want to do everything today so that tomorrow I can relax and start doing other things. Tomorrow has its own problems, basically. This is at Pep Home, guys. This mirror costs 120, but it's small. And then there's this one of 100, but there's a face on it. Yeah. And then this one, it's 200. I saw a black one at the other one like this. What a pretty mirror. Sure. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to get our hair done. I have to go plant my hair cornrows. I wanted to do it the other day when I did my nails, but I was like, it's gonna take too long, and I wanted to leave. And I was hungry on that day, so today we're going to go and get our hair done, and then I have to go and try and find an aftercare class for my nephew, aftercare school for my nephew, because the one that I called, they were full. And today I'm gonna try and find one. Hopefully I'll succeed, and then he can start Monday with the aftercare, because he's struggling at school. There's no one here at home to help him. I get to work too late, and his mom is just not interested, so I have to try my best to help him so that he can at least pass. Last semester I did help him and he passed, but I can't do it anymore because I come home late, and by the time I'm home he's already tired. He doesn't want to do his work, so I have to find him a aftercare. I did speak on this in the beginning of the year. They did not listen, and now here we are. This child is struggling at school, and now I have to pick up the pace and be firstborn again and sort out things that are not even mine to have sorted out in the first place. But anyway, we move. Let's catch a taxi and go to town. Let me go buy myself something nice. Guys, I'm done with my hair. I'm going to KFC to buy myself some ice cream and then head home and hopefully find a school for my nephew. Good morning, guys. It is time for us to wake up and go to church. It's a Sunday. Last week Sunday I didn't go to church. But today I was like, it's time to get up and go to church and praise God because I didn't do it last week and I don't want to go another week without going to church. So yeah, let's get ourselves up and ready and go to church to praise. Okay guys, so I'm done getting dressed, but I want to show you guys what I bought from Choice. Like, I bought this amazing trouser. I put it inside out. Isn't this gorgeous? The Lord is merciful. It was 160 rand and it went down to 120 and I bought it. Like, I don't have a formal white trouser, so I had to buy this one for me. It is quite long, which I am loving. I'm loving. And then I went ahead and I bought myself also this cardigan, as the girlie says in the UK. My cardigan. So I bought this, and this was 180 rand at Choice. Like, Choice has a lot of good quality stuff. I wanted to have this last year, but they never had my size, and when I saw it, I took it. And then I also went to Range because why not? I don't have a leather jacket and I wanted to have one so bad this time around, and I saw this one. Absolutely amazing. It is quite pricey. I think it's 150. It's not 150, it's 450. Where's the price tag? Anyway, yeah, 450. And I think this is the Fushini brand, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Fushini brand. So I think that's why it was so expensive. But this was much needed. I wanted to have a leather jacket for the longest time. And I finally have it. I'm actually quite happy that I bought this one. There were other ones, but they were not good enough for me. And then I went ahead, obviously. I had to buy myself this. This is just, I'm still looking for those earrings that look like the designer ones. Those ones that with the big drop thing. And then I bought these. These are so cute. It's gold and white. Sometimes I have something white on, but I don't necessarily want to wear silver, so that's gonna come in handy. But today I think I'm gonna wear these earrings since there's a little bit of a, I don't know if I'm gonna wear heels or if I'm gonna wear my yellow flat shoes. But those yellow flat shoes also, they are just ruined. We are in a season, or in a place of the season where it's, oh my goodness, where it's hot and cold and you don't know what to wear. So yeah, we're definitely in autumn and it's an annoying month. But yeah, there we go. We are good. We are done. My wig sits nicely. I'm happy with the plaits that I did. I think I'm gonna wear, since this has blue in, this blue shoes, I think I'm gonna wear them because I don't want to wear flats, honestly. I think I'm gonna wear them, and I have to wash them because look, they're a little bit dirty, but yeah, I have to wash them. Anyway, you guys, it is time for us to go. Hi guys, we just came back from church and I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I will see you in my next one.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.